Fire activity is down on the Maryland shore, but contracts are up 16.71%. It's Friday, July 26, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty. This is the Maryland Eastern Shore Report. Prices are also up 1.6% from last year. There are 1,668 homes for sale this week, with another 94 expected on the market soon. 190 homes went under contract this report in 20 median days. 158 sold this past week at 98.1% list to sold ratio, and also in 21 median days. Homes for rent rose to 96 at a median lease rate of $2,175 median dollars per month. And that's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for July 26th, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.